Here is a sample of the recipe digital recipe card with your family's photos of this special person in your life, whether it's a mom or grandma or anybody. Um, but I'm offering it as a belated Mother's Day gift right now, just until it's going to be about another week and a half, I guess, that I'll offer this. So today is the 15th, so I'm thinking, maybe like around the 25th or so, I'll offer this. And for the next three people, I will be offering this gift, including the recipe card, for $30. So that is a big sale. I originally put it out for 200 because it takes me some work and time to put this together, and yours is going to be customized as well. So here we go. This is just a sample. I'm letting you know that there are AI photos and video in the sample. Okay, so that is the sample of the video. And this is a sample of the recipe card that you would get. It will be sent to you digitally with your special person there and the entire recipe, the ingredients, and the instructions of their popular gift, their most loved gift of food that they like to serve the family. So, if this is something that you'd be interested in, click the link below. It'll send you to um, a form where you would put in your information and order this package from me, and I would send it to you through email. And there you go.